Looking for a serious heavy-duty hose reel that makes watering your yard effortless, fast, and tangle-free? The Giraffe Tools 130 feet retractable hose reel is one of the most popular upgrades for home gardens because it replaces messy manual hoses with smooth auto-rewind convenience. Right away, the biggest highlight is the automatic retract system. Just pull the hose out, lock it at any length, and give it a light tug when you're done. It smoothly rewinds itself without tangles or manual winding. Another major advantage is the 130-foot reach, which is more than enough for large lawns, driveways, and garden spaces. It saves you from dragging a hose reel around while still giving full yard coverage. The 360-degree swivel base is a game changer. It lets you move freely in any direction while watering, so the hose follows you instead of getting stuck or twisting. Durability is another strong point. The hose is built to handle high pressure and all-weather use, while the casing is UV-resistant to avoid cracking or fading outdoors over time. It also includes a multi-pattern spray nozzle, so you can switch between gentle watering for plants and high-pressure cleaning for patios, cars, or outdoor surfaces. Installation is flexible too. You can mount it on grass or concrete, making it suitable for almost any yard setup. Now the honest part. This is a premium convenience tool, not a basic hose setup. It's heavier, costs more, and like all retractable systems, long-term durability depends on usage and maintenance. Also, it requires proper installation to ensure smooth retraction over time. Overall, this is a huge upgrade for anyone tired of tangled hoses and manual winding. Fast, clean, and extremely convenient for regular garden maintenance. Click the link below for the best price.